Welcome back to the Knowledge Hub podcast. If you run a business with more than 10 employees, there's a 91% chance you're using a CRM. But have you ever stopped to ask if it's actually working for you or if you're working for it? That's the core tension for so many growing companies. Customer relationship management, or CRM software, is an essential tool. We're all familiar with the big names: HubSpot, Zoho, Salesforce. They're fantastic for getting a business off the ground, promising to organize customer data, streamline sales, and ultimately boost revenue. And for many, they deliver on that promise, with some studies showing a return of up to 45% for every dollar invested. But there's a hidden cost to that off the shelf convenience. As your company evolves and your processes become more unique, that one size fits all software can start to feel less like a powerful engine and more like a handbrake. The first sign of trouble is often what you could call the junk drawer effect. Ready-made CRMs are built for the masses, so they're packed with features for every conceivable business model. The result is a cluttered, confusing interface where your team has to navigate a dozen options they'll never use just to find the one they need every day. It slows people down and kills adoption. When you build a custom CRM, you're the architect. You decide exactly which features are included. There are no unused buttons or confusing menus, which saves time on training and makes your team more efficient. The next issue is the square peg, round hole problem. Off the shelf software forces you to adapt your business to its rigid structure. Let's say you have a unique sales model or a special loyalty program that gives a discount on every 11th order. A standard CRM probably can't handle that. You end up creating clunky workarounds in spreadsheets, or even worse, abandoning good ideas because the software can't keep up. Building your own system means the software is molded around your business processes from day one, not the other way around. And perhaps the most important point is integration. A common complaint with standard CRMs is getting them to talk to all the other tools you rely on. Syncing with your accounting software, your marketing platforms, or older internal databases can be a constant headache. A custom solution, on the other hand, can be built from the ground up to connect seamlessly with everything. This creates a single, unified view of your customer across every department, eliminating data silos and giving you a true source of truth for making decisions. So while an off-the-shelf CRM is a logical first step, the real question to ask as you scale isn't just what your software can do, but how it's designed to help you do it.